Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan channel.
We have something a little different for you today.
We've got some noise in the other room happening too, sorry. Whew, somebody's very excited about TenTree.
I am. Sean is actually a big TenTree wearer.
He is a big TenTree wearer. He probably has about, I want to say like he had 8 pieces or 9 pieces of TenTree. So I've been buying them for him for his birthday and Christmas, and he loves it.
Well, first I want to say, like, we are not sponsored by TenTree.
No, not at all.
I wish.
We just happen to really love what this company does and how they do it, because they are a no plastic company. I believe they're like one of those B certified companies, which is
What does that mean?
Isn't that like no waste or, zero waste or something like that?
Well, this is us dipping our toes into sustainable fashion.
Right. TenTree offers what's called a mystery bag 3 or 4 times a year. It might even only be 2 sometimes, but you want to get on the list for it because it is a real bargain.
Yeah.
And it's very high quality clothing that is made sustainably and it's made ethically. And well, let's just cut to the chase and show you. First of all, they don't use any plastic in their packaging. The clothing comes wrapped up with a little piece of tissue paper and a recyclable piece of like raffia.
Okay.
To tie it together.
And the deal too, it's $110 for 5 pieces.
You can't pick what pieces they send you.
Basically, they're like trying to clear out their stuff, whatever they have left over, right?
Right. So they're going to give you a really good price on 5 pieces of clothing. And you get high quality clothing. It's something that you're going to love.
How much did you say it could be worth?
It could be up to $300.
Dang, the puppies parading for that. They said, sign us up.
And the bag that they give you to put your whole haul in is not part of the 5 items. That's extra.
Yeah, but this is not a bag. This is a statement of female empowerment. Each piece is proudly crafted at home by women in Bangladesh through pioneering member of the World Fair Trade Organization, CORR, blah, 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 blah.
And what a perfect way to celebrate International Women's Day.
I know. Right?
Yes.
So this is exciting.
This is very exciting.
So you just give them your size, and then they give you 5 items in your size.
Right. And for every item of clothing that is sold, including all of the items in the mystery bag, they plant 10 trees. That's why it's called TenTree. And you can actually go on the website. There's a code on each tag for the item, and you can designate where in the world you want your trees planted. So I believe we have we have 100 just for this haul. I know. And then I think I have about 110 to go online with Sean.
That's so awesome.
And designate where we want to have them planted. So she couldn't wait.
We were supposed to film this as an unboxing, and we would, like, see what we got on camera, but I was too excited, and I busted into it yesterday.
And then we were going to do this, and then maybe try on some of the stuff. She couldn't wait.
I'm wearing my first item right now. I'm wearing this sweater.
This looks like it was made for you.
It's got these little, like, cutout thingies. I wouldn't call them cutouts, but it's like a, yeah. And it's black.
It is.
It's super comfy, and
if you could stand up and show the little TenTree tag, each of the items has a little like cork TenTree tag on it. I find that so fashionable.
Yeah.
This looks like it was made for you. That is the perfect size for you. And I do caution you guys, I feel like TenTree runs the slightest bit small on the small side. With individual items, running a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller. Okay. Like some of the stuff that I bought for Sean, I had to buy double XL. And only because he needs the length. I didn't do the mystery box for him because I have to be assured that everything is going to be long enough because he's extremely long-waisted. Right. And a lot of their items are, but I didn't want to take a chance that it wouldn't be. So,
let's see one of your items.
Okay, well, I'll show you my first item. I got this cool hat.
Ooh.
And we actually got a hat, too, for Christmas. I think there was an extra item in there. It was like bonus hat, whatever. These are so cool. I don't wear hats a lot, but this was going to be nice for, like, gardening.
I like hats every once in a while.
This is going to be nice for gardening.
This is nice. Mine has elastic on the back. It's not like a...
Oh, really?
One of the adjustable ones.
Oh,
but
nice.
it fits nicely.
Yeah. Awesome. This is good for hiking, for gardening.
Or you just, like, running out to the store and you didn't, like...
Right. You didn't do your hair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Oh, wow. This one is made from hemp.
Cool.
What's yours made out of? Does it say? Or is it just regular?
I think it's just regular. It says... Oh. I thought it said biodegradable at first, but that's the tag, I'm pretty sure. Not the hat.
Here's one of the little tokens that has a code on it. This is what you go online with and for the planting of the trees.
Let's see another item.
All right. Ooh. I got this nice t-shirt.
Very cool.
Eco Tri-Blend. It's made with tencel, which I believe is bamboo. So it's very soft and it is very cool. Ooh. It's nice and long.
It's so soft.
I'm long-waisted, so this is going to be nice because I hate when my
shirt is too short.
Yeah.
And it has a little tree pattern on it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's got the trees down the front there. That's so something different. See, this is not something that I would buy for myself, but I'm glad that they picked this item out for me because it's stepping outside of my comfort zone, but I still really like it. Yeah. Okay. I can't wait for the spring to wear that with some capris.
Yeah.
On my overalls.
Well, I got this nice green
yours
shirt.
Is also
this one
tencel.
is also tencel, yeah. And it's got a funky pattern on it.
It's like a wood plank with the TenTree logo.
Very cool.
I like
the neckline.
I like the gentle scoop neckline.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So soft! I can't get over how soft everything is. Love it.
Ooh, I got this so hot right now, mustardy color.
That is a good color.
Again, nice and long for me.
And this has
the tree line like my hoodie.
I love that.
I love that. I get so many compliments on all of my TenTree sweatshirts. Complete strangers walk up to me in supermarket, whatever, and they go, "Oh my God, I love your sweatshirt. I love it."
Well, I don't blame them.
Yeah.
It's a good hoodie.
It's a great hoodie. It's not just good, it's great.
True. I have another tencel shirt here.
Oh yeah.
This is so
That's going to keep you so cool like when we're hiking or just like
hanging out.
Yeah.
And it's got the little tree motif on the neckline here. Love it.
Ooh, I can't get over how soft that is.
I know.
And I love their styling. It's got like the what would they call that? Like not like a sharp
scoop bottom.
Scoop bottom.
That's
there you go.
Not a real phrase. I made that up.
All right, I got another t-shirt here. And this one is basically, I think it's the same as the yellow one, but it's got the constellations on this one in like a charcoal color.
Nice.
This I have to say is one of my favorites.
I love that.
Love it. And this one is also tencel? Yes, it's also tencel. The New Age fiber.
Oh. Well, I got another fiber here. This one is made from recycled plastic bottles.
Wow.
Which is unbelievable because this is so soft.
You would never believe it. I love the styling on this.
This is one of my favorite items. This is like a nice long sleeve athletic shirt. Ooh, I didn't even notice this before.
It's so lightweight. Oh, wow.
What's that? Is that a little pocket?
Is it?
Oh, it's a little sleeve pocket.
Oh, nice.
I didn't even notice that.
Does it have it on both sides?
Where are you?
You can keep your mad money in there.
Yeah. Key, money, whatever.
Oh, key, yeah. Like if you were jogging or something.
And the pattern is on the back.
I love this pattern.
That's so cool.
Tie-dye is having such a moment right now.
Yeah, I'm obsessed with this.
I love that the pattern's on the back, not on the front.
Very, very cool.
Very nice.
And you've got one more item.
My last item, another one of my favorites. They're all my favorites. Again, nice and long.
Oh, that color.
It's a beautiful spring, like like a peach color.
Yeah.
Like
it's like an orange
coral.
creamsicle.
Yes. And I can't tell what the pattern on this is. Oh, it's a
bunch
bunch of mountains with a sun.
Yeah. Mountain range.
And if you could feel the inside of this.
So soft and cozy.
It is like the hair on a little baby. It is so soft.
Oh my god!
And I have to tell you, these wash beautifully.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, so the more you wash this even softer it's going to get. Mm-hmm. So, I can't wait to wear this.
This is my first, like, TenTree stuff, and I know. I'm excited.
You're hooked, right?
Yeah.
And very high quality stuff. I mean, you get what you pay for. Mm-hmm. But we didn't pay that much for this because they picked it out for us.
Yeah.
They picked it out for us. So we got a super duper bargain. Mm-hmm. So if you're interested in this, I feel like it's a no-brainer. When I asked you about this, you were like, it's a no-brainer.
Yeah.
5 items for $110.
Well, I mean, I like, too, that it's a sustainable
I love everything about the brand.
Because I'm trying to be a better clothing shopper, you know?
Yes. Yeah, so these were ethically made, and they're long-lasting as well.
I don't want to buy into fast fashion as much.
So I am going to be wearing this tomorrow.
Nice.
I can't wait because it's so cozy, and the weather right now, this is what I need to be wearing.
Yeah.
I need to be
Actually,
cozy.
it's going to be warm for the next few days.
You know I'm always cold.
I know. So let us know if you guys have any TenTree clothing.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Get on the list for next time. I mean, even if you're just, like, on the list, if you change your mind, you're not, like, locked in or anything, but you get notified a day before it goes public.
Okay.
So they send you an email. Like, they sent me an email. I've been checking every day for months.
She has been checking, yeah.
So when I got that email, I was like, the TenTree mystery bags are here. And I was like, click, order. I was just like, I cannot wait.
Yeah.
And it's a Canadian company.
It is? Okay.
Yes. I do believe, though, that this was mailed from California for us. Like, the company is based in California, but I think they also have a store in California. Mm-hmm. In Canada, but in California. So it only took a few days to be shipped to us. So
yeah.
You're going to love it.
And let us know in the comments, too, if there are any other sustainable brands that you guys like that we should check out.
Right. Yes, because I really want to be more sustainable.
Yeah.
So,
that's all. Thanks so much for watching.
Sorry it wasn't a recipe, just a little bit something different this time. Next time, I promise it will be a recipe. So, thank you so much, and until next time, much love.